Hi, I'm Anushka and I've been running MCode, which is my AI agency, for the last 2 years. I'm here because 99% of you are using Claude Code wrong. If you're using Claude only to ask questions, you're using about 15% of what Claude can actually do. There are 6 things that you need to know about Claude, 4 of which are different ways that you can actually use it. The other two may vary depending on what makes it more powerful. Now, what's interesting is 99% of the people have never really heard of all of these, even today in 2026. And I'm going to walk you through all of them. I'm going to tell you what they're used for, and by the end of this, you're also going to be knowing which one you should use right now. Starting with number one, that is Claude Chat. Now, that is the one you probably have heard of. You go to Claude.ai, you ask a question, and you get an answer. The good news is that it works every single where. It works in your browser, it works in your phone, it works in your desktop. It's the same Claude and it's the same conversation with everything synced to the cloud. Now, if you've only used this version before, then you're still in a very good spot because this is the foundation. But this is the start of Claude and not the whole thing. Now, every product I'm about to show you is built on top of this Claude Chat, right? So Claude Chat is basically the best for quick conversations or writing research or just syncing something too. If you're a brand new person to Claude, then this is where you start. If you've been using AI or Claude for a while, then keep watching because this next one is for you. And that brings us to number two, which is Claude Cowork. Now, this is the one that a lot of people have not even heard of unless you're diving a little bit more deeper with Claude. Now, Claude Cowork has fundamentally changed my week and it's so much more deeper than Claude Chat. It's one of the most used tools in my arsenal now, and that is basically because Cowork is a desktop app. It lives on your computer, and the important part here is that you can see all of your files. It can open your files, it can edit them, it can save new ones. Right, that's all it can do. With Cowork, you can also give it a task and it goes through and does that task. This is very, very different from chat itself because you're not just asking it questions, you're not just talking to a chat that is different from that particular chat, but you're actually working on the computer itself with real files, which is only the beginning, by the way, because it has access to so much more, right? And it's for people who don't know how to code, which is most of us. If you've ever thought, I wish AI could just do this for me instead of telling me how to do it, that is exactly what Cowork is. It's a 24/7 personal employee that does tasks for you every single time you wanted to do a task. Number three, Dispatch. Now, this is a massive game changer because Dispatch now allows you to assign tasks to Claude from your phone. Yeah, it's that cool. And then Claude does all of the work for you at home on your desktop and then sends it to you back as a finished result on your phone itself. And all of this could be while you're on the go at a coffee space or at work. It does not matter where you're at because you're using your phone, right? Now, that's the important part to know, that working on files directly on your computer or at home or in your office, when you're physically not there, is not something we were able to do before, but you're controlling it with your phone. And I think it's really, really cool because it's a very continuous conversation. You can start your task from like your phone on the way to work and then follow up on your laptop when you sit down to get ready for work. And it's still the same thread. It's the same memory. You don't have to repeat again, you don't have to start over. But before we actually move on to the most powerful tool in Claude, take a second to subscribe. It would really help things out for my channel. Let's continue. Number four, Claude Code. Now, if the first three things were done and were thinking and helping, then this one is for building. And I mean building real applications, right? Claude Code is a tool for building software, and this could run in your terminal or you could have it in your Claude app on your desktop. But basically, just like Cowork, you can tell it what you want and it's going to handle everything for you. Most important thing here is to remember that building real applications is extremely key. Where Claude Cowork may basically look at your email files, this is like writing code. So this is that was writing, this is testing. It's looking at bugs, it's writing the code from scratch. It's giving you a real output of a working application with a preview. Now, if you're thinking, well, I'll never use that because I'm not a developer, guess what? You are now. You are a developer. I'm a non-technical person and I'm a developer. I thought the same thing when I started, but basically I built over like 150 agents just by telling it what I wanted, and it built it for me. So yes, you're a developer. I'm a developer. Everybody's a developer. If you think of something, Claude Code can actually develop it for you. So for those four other ways you can actually use Claude. The last two aren't products per se, but they are basically add-ons or they're upgrades, right? They make the first four ways way too powerful, which brings us to number five, which is plugins. Now think of these as apps in an app store, except App Store is basically Claude, right? So a plugin is a bundle of five tools and connectors, multiple different tools actually, that are pre-built for you. You can just install it into Claude and it gets a Slack plugin or like a new ability that you can actually create. Plugins work inside of Claude Code and Claude Cowork. If you install, like I was saying before, Slack plugin or like some sort of a say Facebook MCP plugin, then Claude can basically talk to Slack, right? Install a design plugin and actually create things for you, like on Canva that you could not create before. Plugins are best for extending what Claude can actually do without actually being able to build anything yourself. And this is what it is for you. It's a catalog for you to choose from, which kind of brings us to number six, and that is skills. That's the most important thing, and most people find it extremely useful, but most people aren't using it. By the way, just before that, plugins are also different versions of MCPs, which are like model context protocols, which are again an API gateway of sorts into different applications. So we have Facebook MCP, we have like a Blotato MCP, which allows you to auto post through different platforms, a bunch of different MCPs together. Anyway, so now the skills bit is basically something that a lot of people will find useful, but most people aren't using it. A skill is extremely simple. It's a folder with instructions on it. That's it. That's a little set of step-by-step instructions that teaches Claude exactly how to do one specific job really, really well. So imagine a specific employee for a specific thing, right? And Claude reads into those instructions every single time a job comes up. You're basically giving it instructions on how to do something. Now skills work everywhere the Claude works. That's a Claude chat, it's Claude Cowork and Code. You can install it once and then it works across all of them. And the good thing is that you can actually grab the skill from other people. Like for example, I created a couple of skills that you can find down below in my community. A bunch of different skills, including the copywriter skill, social media skill, LinkedIn writer, or some sort of presentation deck skill, LinkedIn outreach skill, an email outreach skill, multiple different skills that are already available, which you can just install, and it works across all of them. So this is something that you can do, and you can ask Claude to use more than one skill. That way you don't have to type it all out every single time, and it's already there, right? Claude Chat is for thinking, Claude Cowork is for getting stuff done on your computer, Dispatch is for handling of tasks to your phone, Claude Code is for building real software, plugins and MCPs per se can extend and do what other softwares in Claude can do together. And skills are basically how to teach it to kind of want you to get things done, right? Now the task for all of you is to pick the one that matches what you're trying to do. You don't have to answer all of them or master all six of them in one day, but you can if you want to. You know that they exist now, which puts you ahead of 99% of the people using Claude and in the world in general. So if this was really helpful, please subscribe, and I'm going to make a full walkthrough of every single one of these products in one video. So I'm going to show you how to use them, because that is the whole point here. And I'll see you in the next one. Please like and subscribe.